Removing users on Monday.com is crucial for managing team access and maintaining board security. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into Monday.com. Open your web browser, go to Monday.com and log into your account. Access admin settings. Click on your profile picture or initials in the bottom left corner of the screen to open the user menu. Select admin from the drop-down if you have administrative privileges. Navigate to users. In the admin section, find and click on users or user management. This will display a list of all current users in your account. Select the user. Locate the user you want to remove. You can use the search bar to find them quickly. Click on their name or profile to access their details. Remove the user. Click on the remove button or the equivalent option, which might be represented by a trash can icon or delete user link. Confirm the action when prompted to finalize the removal. Verify removal. Ensure that the user has been removed from the list and no longer has access to boards or projects.